Hello, you're watching Brand Talk with Priyanka, presented by Digistick. This is a platform where we talk to a brand about their journey to success and how labels have become an important part of that roadmap. Today, we have with us Mr. Siddharth Manocha from India's most admired healthcare brand 2020-21, Scepter Medical India. Welcome, Siddharth.
Hi Priyanka. Good evening. Thank you for the welcome. Hope you are fine and healthy.
Absolutely fine. Thank you so much. And I hope everyone is around you is also doing good. Fine.
Yeah, we have been well.
Great. Siddharth, before we dive into actual conversation, tell us about your company.
So the idea behind launching this brand, Scepter Medical India, was that in 2010 when we started, there was no particular single company which was catering to the all the segments of infection control. Like for surfaces, you need disinfectants, and for skin, you need skin antiseptics, and so on and so forth. So we at Scepter decided that we should become one single point of disinfection solutions where we would be supplying and making available to the consumers all the complete range of disinfectants and sanitizers. And later on, we also added disinfectant wet wipes. So in 2010, we started with the sanitizers, hand sanitizers, and hand wash. And after almost 10 years, we have over 70 products.
That's great to know. Siddharth, you very rightly said when we were discussing offline that with challenges comes opportunities. And on that note, I would like to ask you, how were the past 12 months of pandemic for you? We all saw industries were shutting down, workforce were migrating. And as a manufacturer, production is not the only thing which is on your mind. You have to ensure that your product reaches the store. And here another player comes into the picture, which are labels, which are very important for the products. So amidst all this, how did you maintain your focus on growth, and how did you resolve all the things around you?
Yeah, you have very rightly put this. So last year was almost like a roller coaster ride. We didn't know what to expect and what not to expect. So when the lockdown was implemented, there was hardly any big manufacturing unit, specifically in Delhi NCR region, was solely producing hand sanitizers or disinfectants. So we took it upon ourselves as our own responsibility to make sure that there is adequate supply of these essential commodities in every household of the public. For that, we had to scale our production at least 2 to 3 times. And we also focused on our SOPs. We tried to make our production more effective and more efficient. And of course, needless to say, our allied industries, specifically packaging industry, supported us a lot. Like for example, Digistick, uh, I actually remember Digistick, whenever we used to place order, within 2 to 3 hours, we would get the prompt deliveries in good quality labels.
That's good to know. And Siddharth, as we have seen that over a period of time, hygiene sector has evolved. Hygiene products are no longer a niche commodity. In fact, even your company has outgrown as an industrial brand to a household brand. How or what are your plans to excel as a D2C brand?
So last year only, we realized that the concept of infection control which was earlier only limited to the medical industry or hospitality industry, came into the household industry as well as commercial spaces. So we also decided to adapt with the changing times. Firstly, we decided that we should serve directly to the consumers. So we launched our own e-commerce website and are also under the process of launching our products on Amazon. Secondly, we also wanted to diversify our products. So we set up a new manufacturing unit exclusively for disinfection and sanitizing wet wipes. And lastly, I would like to say that as a practitioner of yoga and Ayurveda, we are also coming up with a new vertical called Scepter Organics, where we would offering Ayurvedic hygiene solutions to the common masses.
That's great to know, Siddharth. Septra Organic is a great initiative, because I can also see that today consumers are more inclined towards products which are organic and Ayurvedic.
Yes.
And on that note, thank you so much, Siddharth, for joining us on Brand Talk with Priyanka, presented by Digistick. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. But before we end our session, here's a thought for our viewers. First impressions may not be the last, but they last long. So why not create a long-lasting impression for your product by having the right label? Contact Digistick, a company which is engineered to deliver high-quality digital printed labels as per your specifications in no time. Digistick, labels on demand. The contact details are in the description box, or you can visit our website, www.digistick.in. Thank you, Siddharth. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.